everybody. This is Nathaniel and my beautiful wife, Ashley.
Hi.
And we are bringing y'all to the Ikea where these bags come from.
They're jellies.
Gluten-free jellies. Say hi.
Hi.
What you want for dinner? There's the kitchen. Pot's already ready. You wanna make some spaghetti?
Yeah.
Hey guys. So we're gonna try to get this rolly cart right here if we can figure out how to purchase these. Alright, we found it.
Here.
So now I gotta take a picture and we're going to place the order.
I bet this is where they got us the things and hang off of it.
This is actually heaven for you, isn't it?
Sure is. Look at it, it's a basket.
It's a basket. It's not a longer burger, but it's $1.
Is it?
I don't know. Is that? It looks like a Dollar General dollar sticker on there. Maybe not.
That's
Nope.
number one.
Oh, it's number one. I'm dumb.
I know what I'm looking for though. We can make spelling better. Not staying still though. It's a plastic bin that I can hang on the side of my car. Okay, where do I get this?
5-pack for 99 cents, and you need the hanger.
No. It hangs on the side of the cart.
Oh.
It hangs on the side of the cart, but I just don't, I guess I'm not. What was it, Kay? What? 12 or 14?
I think 12. But you're going the right way. It is heavy duty. No price?
$2.79.
$2.79.
Not bad for us.
No. Well, one thing for certain, this place is a maze.
Yes, it is. An aggravating maze.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Where are we supposed to go?
Find your carts.
Showroom front shop.
Where you want to go?
Home organization. It's on the ground floor though.
Oh, alright. See, that's a map because we're like a little rat in a little cage. You know, in a maze.
I don't like it.
It's crazy.
Well, I like it too, though. But see, here's the
Get
thing.
ready to be turned around if y'all come here, folks. Oh.
They have these that have 7. And it's called, well, it's an Alex 7 drawer or an Alex 9 drawer.
Pretty neat.
Yeah.
And bunk beds. Hey, I'll be in my office.
I've never seen one in person.
I mean, yeah, it probably won't have that issue when you buy it.
Alex 9 drawers.
Oh, wow. I like those. You need that.
I need.
You need about 20 of them.
No, I need like 2 or 3 of them for inside the house. And then it wouldn't look like I have so much stuff. Aren't they beautiful?
Yes.
They're expensive, huh?
Yeah, but they're nice. I like them.
Phil, look at it. They're heavy duty too, pretty good.
Well, yeah.
A little bit.
I mean, I like them. Bless you.
Oh my gosh. This is temporary. They said it was temporarily unavailable. But see, this is like this. See, these are Alex too. But why would you get this small one for $79 when you can get the big one for $159?
I don't know. The big one's about 3 times as tall too. If it was, you know, $79, if it was in half, it's still $160. I guess it is cheaper to get the taller one. But some people might not have the space for it.
I'm going to work and I'm going to get me one of the, I'm gonna get me 2 of the Alex, and that green color is absolutely gorgeous.
There's some offices again.
I'll definitely come here again. Just be prepared to know what I want, where to find it. Okay,
If we could just learn the maids, we could live here.
not really.
There's beds. We can each have our own beds. Buddy, it's his and hers.
Yeah.
That's fancy right there.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Beds galore. I found my room.
Those unfinished ones. I like those. This is adorable. I'm taking a picture of this for my own self. Because I know the Alex stores. That's
Yeah,
gorgeous.
I like this stuff.
I like that too.
wood look. You come around the corner here.
In the bedroom.
You get the itty bitty.
They're cute. I like those. And look, this could be like a little, this one's a little more expensive, but it could be used for makeup too.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I do. These are good.
You got lots of pins.
They look like Legos. I want one. Look at the little tape set.
Excuse me, madam. Would you like a spot of tea? Yeah. Silverware
For babies.
for babies. We're in the baby section.
Then you got potties.
We're having a party.
Guess where self-serve is?
Downstairs?
Downstairs.
Oh boy. How big this thing is.
Remember, people have to be able to have buggies.
Yeah. So we still haven't found bags yet.
Nope.
Grab a cart.
Yes. Very hard.
More stuff.
Do you need a spoon?
Look at all the cornerware.
This is not cornware, but look, is that not the cutest measuring cup?
Yep.
You came all the way to Atlanta for what? A measuring cup?
Some thin glass.
Sorry.
He's about to break it.
I'm about to break it. I'm good at stuff like that.
I wonder if that's knockoff Corningware. It's Ikea ware.
It's Ikea ware.
There's some pieces of it right there. See what it says. Yeah, it don't even feel like Corningware. It's real thin. Storage containers.
I'll do one over here real quick.
There's your
like
Ikea bags. That's the only Ikea bags I've seen
Yeah, that's the only thing I've seen so far.
yet.
And this buggy is going one way and I'm going the other.
Yeah, that sounds about right. They're the jars. Put a golf sticker on that, that'd be pretty good. $1.99. Bring $10 with a golf sticker. Whatever you want to get.
I'll get these instead.
Look at these. That is a dieter set.
This is just a small spoon that you use for like your coffee and such.
It's a baby spoon.
And I guess it kind of is.
You're not getting it?
No, I'm gonna get that.
Oh, okay, you're getting the
I
better
think
one.
they're 10
Yeah.
now.
You just bought one of these that was a Mr. Coffee.
But this is, yeah, I just got one of
It
those.
looks like the same thing. How much? Yours was brand new, $4.99 for $4. This is $5.99. Yours was a Mr. Coffee, and this one's no box.
Yeah, but here is cold pressed coffee, dark roast. That's running away.
So we've been all the way around the top and all the way around the bottom, still following arrows for the self-service furniture area. So wish us luck. There's another one up here to the left. To the left.
To the right.
Oh, to the right. I'll get my left and right straight in a minute. Up now to the left.
I'm working on it.
Ooh. Don't have to water these. Want a what in the box?
They had a hand in a box.
Hand
like
in a box.
An articulate hand.
Oh wow. Might have been for jewelry maybe.
Okay, how's that thing handy, Andy?
All right, I think we're here, folks.
Yep. Now guess what we get to do? Try to find it.
Now we get
Okay.
to find it.
Here, pull up your thing. Okay. Well, this is more straightforward than all the other ones.
We're looking for 19.
I found it.
You found it. Way to go.
I did. Now, what bid?
It's going to be 4 and 9.
What?
4 and 9.
Okay. This is like,
So a little bit of issues with their numbering. They have everything
guess what?
in numbers. Yeah. They don't have it.
When I put in the small one,
Yeah.
like if I'm just trying to do cart with storage, I see that one. Here's the gray-green one. I don't even see the small one. And I didn't take a picture of the
So
small
I took
one.
a picture of it and we went exactly where it said.
Yeah.
We found the large one. We didn't find the small one, and the large one was in 2 different places, not even specified by what it was put on here. So get ready for chaos when you go to, I mean, maybe not for you, but for us, it was kind of chaotic trying to find some furniture here, and not a lot of people here to help. There's a lot of people, but there's a lot of customers as well. So, but we're still new at this as well, but the numbers did not add up.
I think I was just, well, see, the reason I haven't already bought one of these is because they're not available online.
Right. Like a madhouse in here, folks. Alrighty. I was hoping they'd say number 7.
It's not open.
Oh, it's not. Oh, number 7's not open. Alrighty. Our time to load up. There are the Ikea bags. You might as well just get the whole bundle right there.
You want to get the whole bundle?
Yeah, get the whole bundle.
How many's in there?
I don't know. They'll let us know though.
Seriously?
I promise you, I have no idea.
We don't know yet.
We're about to find out then.
Is that like just a, I don't know, something's around it.
Here, you got some scissors over there. Scissors.
We might not be getting those. Yeah, it just folds in, but you can hand it to me and then we'll take it from there.
She's got a knife.
I do. I guess I'm probably shouldn't have told her it's on my keys, but I didn't use it on anybody this time. I think we're just going to get one bundle.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oops, sorry.
One bundle will be good.
That woman just hit me and didn't even say excuse me.
Oh, it's alright.
Wait, I'm going to go down here. Just get the
What goes around comes around.
It does. Here, I'm going to put these in the buggy because she's running those up. And I'll get the bags in a minute.
So weekdays is the time to go, not
Yes.
weekends.
Yep. Listen to the ladies at work here.
Weekdays, not weekends, is the time to come. Yeah, I could do that.
I got it. We still gotta get the carts. $75, that'll work then.
That's plenty enough.
And these two. 20, 40, 65. This should be 165. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 65. Go. Here, honey. It's yours.
Alright. You got some lunch money.
Gave you a little bit back.
Right? Go to McDonald's to get me a dollar burger. Well, they're not a dollar anymore.
My husband, he'll give the money and they give the change back to me. He's like, hey, what's the deal here? I'm the opposite.
Thank you.
He'll give the money. I take the change.
You take the change. There you go.
I'm trying to
Hey,
do.
it adds up too. All right, we made it out. So what you think of the IKEA?
Okay, their stuff is awesome. Their setup is horrible. It's like a maze. But they do have really good deals on furniture and stuff. So you just have to come prepared that it's going to be a trip.
And the nice lady that was checking us out,
Yes, she was wonderful.
she told us we needed to come during the week, not on the weekend.
Yes.
So
And unfortunately, that's kind of hard for us when we're working and we come here to get our girls. It makes sense to come on the weekend. So I'm telling you, getting here wasn't bad, but getting in and finding where everything was, and the checkout as soon as we came in was where what we wanted was. We just didn't know it at the time.
right. Well, we're gonna let y'all go with this one, and y'all remember,
Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want more content, and tell us what you saw on the video that you liked the most.
till next time, take care, folks.
Bye-bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to watch some more videos. And hit that notification bell if you want to know when we upload new videos. Have a great day, guys.
35, not gonna be, would have been 35, now 40, 40 not gonna be, would have been 40, now 40, 40, 40 not gonna be, would have been 40, now 5, 45 not gonna be, would have been 45.